Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your Instagram profile picture. So let's get started. So if you don't want people to expand your profile picture, for example, I'm going to go to this account, and when I long press on this profile, it will expand the profile picture. So if you don't want people to expand your profile picture, I've got you covered. You're going to click on your profile here at the bottom right. And then you're going to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to settings and activity. You're going to scroll down till you find the option of account privacy right under who can see your content. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see an option of allow others to expand your profile picture, and you'll be able to see a toggle button right next to it. But if you're not able to see that option just like me, then that means that your Instagram doesn't have that feature. So you got to report that to the Instagram. So you're going to go back to settings and activities, scroll down and click on help. Once you do so, you're going to click on report a problem, and then you're going to click on report problem without shaking. Here, you're going to click on include and continue, and you're going to briefly explain what happened or what isn't working. So you can simply copy and paste this. That is, hey, I need help with my profile picture and I want to lock my current profile picture so that no one can expand it. I can't see the feature in my privacy settings. So you can simply copy this from here and you can paste it over here. Then you can also upload screenshot and click on send. And Instagram will review your request and will contact you through your email. And that is how you can lock Instagram profile pictures. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.